You know, I had 2 children.
Nalina abaana babiri.
And both of them were girls.
Bombi nga bawala.
So I decided to get a young girl.
Nti neefunyewo kijuujulu.
To at least give me a boy.
Kinzaalira omulenzi.
So for 2-3 months,
okumala emyezi nga 2-3
I was battling with God.
Nga nnwana ne Katonda.
Moving with the girl.
Ntambula n'omuwala.
I did not commit adultery though.
But
I had communicated and we had accepted each other.
Naye nga
But
tukkiriziganyizza.
let me tell you one thing.
Kambabuulire.
God deterred me.
Katonda n'anziiza.
I remember time.
Njukira ekiseera.
When I was looking for a place where we could, a private place, where we could go and sit, discuss our matters. From Kampala, I drove to almost every hotel.
Nagenda mu buli wooteri mu Kampala wano n'awalala.
And God could not allow me to sit there.
Naye nga Mukama tanganya kutuulayo.
I'm telling you.
Kambabuulire.
I reached to a hotel. And I saw a group of people
n'osangayo abantu
coming to take photographs with me.
Ne bajja bakuba ebifaananyi.
Honorable.
Tulaba kuki ng'obuzi.
I was going against God's principles.
N'ogamba
I did not want people to know that I was committing adultery.
Ate jjukira ngenda njagala kwenda kakati nga tonza kwendera awo n'ogamba ninaakola ntya wano.
I leave that hotel, go to another one. Same thing.
Wooteri n'ogivamu n'ogenda mu
I went up to Jinja.
Nagenda paka Jinja.
And basically, I came back without doing anything.
Nakomawo nga sina kyenkoze.
That is God.
Oye Katonda.
But I remember time.
Nzijukira ekiseera.
I'm speaking this, God is my witness.
Bino mbyogera Mukama yanjulira.
God liked me so much.
Mukama yanjagala nnyo.
When I was traveling back in my Benz,
mba ntambula nkoma nvuga benzi yange.
The young girl was seated.
Kijujulu kindi bbali.
God brought
Mukama n'aleeta
a boda rider,
omuvuzi wa boda,
putting on a reflector
ng'ataddeko ka reflector emabega
with the words behind,
nga kuliko ebigambo,
don't commit adultery.
Toyenda.
God is my witness.
Katonda akikakasa akijulira.
But still,
naye era
I continued. I said maybe.
Nenga naye maaso gawe bebuwabi.
Then when I was going to travel to Korea,
mba ngenda
with one of my niece, Korea, I was going to travel
Korea n'omu ku bantu bange.
This daughter of mine comes to Parliament.
Mwanange ajja mu Parliament.
And tells me, Daddy,
nanga taata,
I dreamt.
Naloose.
When you are actually
webadde
trying to commit adultery.
Ogezaako okwenda.
With a young girl,
n'omuwala,
about 24 years.
But
God does not like it. You see God?
Olaba Katonda.
I told her.
Ne mugamba.
Because she did not want to tell me.
Yali kyayagala kuŋŋamba.
It is her pastor.
Musumba we.
She knew me as an upright person.
Yali ammanyi ng'omuntu omutuukirivu.
Very religious.
Munnaddiini.
Very committed to Christ.
Omuntu eyeewaayo ennyo Kristo.
And because she knew I was righteous,
olw'okuba yali amanyi ndi mutuukirivu,
she went to her pastor and told him. And the pastor told her to come and tell me.
Omusumba n'agamba gwaba muntu ogenda omugambe.
So when she told me, I said it's true.
Bwe yaŋŋamba ne mugamba tompaayiriza.
And this must end.
Era kino kirina okukoma.
I say to myself, this must end. I should begin my journey now.
Nenneegamba kino kiteekwa okukoma tandika olugendo lwange olwaleero.
Of moving uprightly.
Ekyotambulira mu butuukirivu.
I repented.
Enneenenya.
I went told my wife.
Nengenda nga mukazi wange.
I repented to her.
Ne mwenenyeza.
And 2-3 weeks after,
ndowooza nga wise wiiki nga 3 oba 2,
my wife got pregnant.
mukazi wange n'afuna olubuto.
Not just getting pregnant.
Si nno kufuna bufunyi lubuto.
A few months later,
wayita emyezi si mingi oluvannyuma,
she went to the scan.
Agenda mu kyuma ekikebera.
And they were twins.
Nga balongo.
Not only twins.
Si balongo kyokka.
5 months later,
wayita emyezi 5
we
oluvannyuma,
discovered that there is a boy.
Tuziizula nti mulimu omulenzi.
You know, that's what God does.
Ekyo Mukama kyakola.
And he revealed to me that there is nothing that is good that will uphold from those that walk upright.
Teri kirungi kyagenda ziiza batambulira mu butuukirivu.